How to reply to a message in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to reply to a message on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to reply to a message, simply choose the channel or person that you have sent message. Just like this. After opening it, here you can find the messages right here. Now to reply to them, simply keep on tapping onto that message. Just like this. Then here you can find reply button. Now simply tap on it. Now add a reply. Just like this. And tap on to send. And now you can see the message has been replied. And that's it. This is how you can reply to a message in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.